I can't stop laughing at the idea that the earliest fashion choice involved a plant that basically fights back. Fig leaves look harmless, but they're loaded with furanocoumarins that react with sunlight. So the more light hits them, the more they can blister your skin. Which means the classic Garden of Eden outfit would have felt like wearing slow-burning pepper spray. And that's why botanists treat fig leaf handling like a mini hazmat task even today. So the next time you see that iconic image, remember it probably stung like crazy. And tap like, comment, and subscribe for more odd truths.